Podcast affirmation, we're back with the bang, but it's KZN's #1 podcast. Namhla uyazi besikulandela abantu abahlukahlukene ke. Today we decided ukuthi because vele iviki le fashion eKZN wonke umuntu ukhuluma Hollywood's best Durban July. Wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngale nto. Ngabe wenza iphutha ukuthi ungaqeda isentence lakho elithinta ifashion eSouth Africa ungalithindanga igama likaMthokozisi uSwenka Mthoko. All right.
Right, mfethu njani?
Long time, eh?
Oh yeah, it's been a minute, but thank you so much for having me over. But I want ngifuna ukutesta kancane.
Yeah.
You said something. You said Bathi KZN's #1 podcast when uthini.
I fundamentally agree.
Thank you. So next time fanele uyibheke into ayishoyo.
Ungayinazi Mthoko izinto zakhona uyabazi Mthoko hlele khona la into order ke futhi usikhola into order futhi singagqokile ngendlela ke. Is that kind of a person owenza sure ukuthi sonke besivela endaweni sivela sifanelekile sihloniphile ne-theme. Manje sizokhuluma kakhulu ngendaba ye Hollywood's Durban July ezobe yenzeka this weekend Saturday. If usukhohliwe kuzobe kufika kakho lapha eGreyville Race Course. Mthoko wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngale event ngiyazi wena ne-fashion into eziwu-2 engahlukani. Mthoko uyiqalile le fashion?
Yazi, to be honest with you, so I am third generation yabantu abadila nge-apparel. Gogo wami wayithunga as a guga wathi decide ukuthi akasathungi but will travel athenga impahla ayidayise. My mom followed suit and then kwaba yimina. So I can easily say I grew up in a family that was very, I don't want to say fashion, but that was very image conscious. So I want to believe it's something that has always been with me. But you know, masesesikoleni isikhathi esiningi imfundo lesiphuma kuyona as encourage kakhulu ukulandela izinto zobuciko. Ukuthi hayi wena wazi ibalo wazi science, you know, not realizing that you can be good at maths and science but uthola ukuthi ijeni yakhe izogcina isilindele ekutheni uyoba iciko, you know. So to cut a long story short, I want to say now the saying that I do realize that it's something that has always been in me. But yaba ngamandla kakhulu when I was at university, because I remember I wanted to quit what I was studying to do fashion. Baba wangiqabela wathi ngiqale graduate. So fortunately I graduated and then I went back to study fashion some other time.
Ukuthi Mthoko isichazeli thina ezabazali ukuthi yenze kanjani imali lento ze-art yabo. Ngiyangifundisa ingane ngifundisa ize bese varsity qede iyasuka lapho ngitshela ukuthi ifuna ukucula.
Ubaba wathi ucabanga uzothatha imali yami usike idwedwe. Angeke uzukubone lokho, you know. But I'm glad we are where we at. They are very happy. Both Benoma. Yeah, the rest is history.
By the way, Mthoko abaningi bazomkhumbula njengoswenka kweminye imisakazo emikhulu ubenza isiqiniseko sokuthi njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi sithi besiphuma uthi uphuma endlini ube uclear ngoba uMthoko useyikhulumile indaba. I think yayibaleka kakhulu le feature yakho Mthoko lapha emsakazweni ukuthi sithi siphuma singafiki lapha uthuke wonke umuntu ugqoka into e-white wena ukhamba lento e-red. Yala because uqina uzu-expose ube ngathi usendaweni e-wrong uyabona. Yeah, injalo. But Mthoko nayi elephant in the room indaba ye Hollywood Durban July. Ithini theme this year? Or before i-theme ake siqale sichaze kahle lento ukuthi ukuthini yona kwa Hollywood Durban July le or lento yamahashi nje isho ukuthini Mthoko?
Before ngiyichaze, it's just as usuke wakhuluma into ebalekile ukuba kwami emsakazweni, which I thoroughly enjoyed. And I know ukuthi ukuba kwami fashion ngi-enjoy kakhulu the part yokushare information noma ukufundisa. And purely that was my main thing emoyeni ukuthi whether ngikhuluma nge-Durban July, ngikhuluma ngama-themes, ngikhuluma ngo-red carpets, or ngichaza ukuthi umuntu ubegqokeni. At the core of it was ukufundisa umuntu. I'm really passionate about that. Which is why I'd really like for us ukuthi siqale ngokuthi sichaze iDurban July. iDurban July is known as the biggest horse racing event in Africa, and it's the longest standing. Uzokuboneke uma kukhulunywa even ngamanye amazwe omhlaba kuthiwa kukhona o-Kentucky Derby, kukhona o-Royal Ascot in London. So nathi silandela kuwona lowo mzila ukuthi kune rugby, kune soccer, kune basketball, kune tennis, kune horse racing, sporting codes ahlukahlukene. It's just that le yamahashi ngenxa ukuthi abantu noma abanikazi bamahashi bekuvamisile ukuhlale kwabantu abadla izambane likapondo. So uyacabanga indawo enabantu abadla izambane likapondo bezobuka amahashi abo ezogijima abesethola imali. So angeke uzukwazi ukuthi into efana nenqephu yonke into oyicabangayo eyiclass noma ine sophistication will be part of their horse racing events. So kwaqala kanjalo noma ke sesicabanga Royal Ascot in Britain, sesicabanga Hollywood Durban July South Africa eThekwini, isahamba ngalowo mzila ukuthi it will always be associated with izinto ze lifestyle, izinto ze class, izinto ze style, izinto ze fashion.
Because manje wena Mthoko bekuza lolusuku iwari enkulu yabantu abaningi ake ngithi nje safe to say my friends abona ukuthi engizogqokani ngizobe but even mina my understanding usuku lomahashi lo usuku lokubhetha by the way beka ngayo ngenza ngibe clear manje ukuthi kusukela kuphi, you understand?
Part of it again ngizophinde ngibuyele emuva ukuthi abantu abadla izambane likapondo if beya laphayana ba interested emahashini abo, and if umuntu odla izambane likapondo more especially ngalezo insuku fanele ubonakale ngendlela obukeka ngayo, uzofika kanjani lana, uhamba nobani, uassociate nobani. However ngokukhula kwe horse racing as a sport yagcina isi-attractor nabanye abantu abangenawo amahashi but abazo-supporta amahashi, and thina we call them ama-punters. Laba kuyibona abasuke bedlala noma bezobhejela amahashi. That is why nasey'ndaweni whether it is i-Durban July noma i-Lomarines Kings Plate or the Cape Town Met, nakhona uyathola ukuthi kunendawo lezi omamakhi noma sweets ban then bese kuzoba khona ama stands anama punters bona abantu aba interested ekutheni mina ngizobhejela ihash la, ngifuna ukubona ihash engilibhejelele liwina ngenze imali.
So lento I overtake you kakhulu inkampani manje because manje sekuthiwa inkampani insurance enemakhi laphana babe sebe invite abantu bagcine bengasayile even kuyobhetha. Ngicabanga ukuthi inhloso nqangi yokuya khona lapha it's all about betting. The way oyichaza ngayo le anti iqale labo okay labantu abanemali beyihlanganisela lento, kodwa manje ngibona ngathi neinkampani sezi overtake kakhulu.
To be honest with you Sizwe, and ukwakhulumela ama companies that host ama marquees, Gold Circle no Hollywood Bets have done a really good job. If ukhumbula phela Gold Circle nawo kahle umsebenzi wawo as a business imjaho yamahashi. Hollywood Bets, their core business ukuthi abantu ufanele babetch. You know, so Gold Circle and Hollywood Bets have done a really good job ukuthi each and every marquee ever at the Greyville, at the Hollywood Bets Greyville racecourse kunomshini wokuthi ukubhetshela match, because bane understanding ukuthi yes ukule hospitality marquee but ukuza kwakho la kumayelana nomjaho wamahash, so hamba uyobhejela amahash noma ihash ithizeni.
Ngiyibona babe nama MC abalele bememeza lapha ukuthi i-race number bani izongena.
Yes, and if ukunake ama marquees ayaba nazo i-green etshengisa ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphakathi. Amanye uthola ukuthi azobe etshengisa ukuthi la ngaphakathi kwenzakalani, but bese kuzoba khona ama races azokwazi ukuthi awaveze edlala, because all of us we know ukuthi yes siswenkile, yes sizogroova, yes sizebumnandini, but size emjahweni wamahashi.
Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ingena kuphi Mthoko bayibiza this thing before siye kwi-theme ya this year. Ngiyazi lezi zinto evamise ukuba nama-theme. Ingena kuphi e-title race uthola ukuthi namba abantu kade gijima amahashi silele siwabuka. Sekuyasuka lapho usubona abantu abangagqokiyo banqunu like angisho ukuthi abagqokile ngoba bashiya ama-underwears or something. Abesilisa nje bavele bangene nabo bagijima maphuna kusekwenze njani inomlando naleyo?
You know, it's just for the fun of it. Nakhona mhlasimpe ungathola ukuthi kwamina nginalo lwazi oluphelele, but I know emjahweni yamahashi engike ngaya kuyona. If ngingaphosisa, I think iDurban July eba naleya race yabantu abangagqokile. Again ngizosho ukuthi I stand to be corrected because angeke ngize ngiyazi yonke. But ngoku-understanding yami it's just like ukubona kuma idols bese kuthiwa there's wooden mic. And when you come to think of it, what's the point in wooden mic? It's just for the fun of it, you know. It's just for the good side kumnandi, you know. Uyabona ke, uyabona. And kukhona abantu abathi ngingangayibona wonke ama races kodwa nje mawukathi ne 13th race bafice sebemile kanjena bebuka, you know. So angeke uzuwazi abantu baya lapha yana ngeinhloso engafani.
No, ngiyabuza Mthoko, by the way sahleli nomthoko uswenka uzokhumbula ukuthi Mthoko ke wase Mthoko le feature I don't know ukuthi ngangithanda kakhulu yabo ngibha because nami ngangangena khona yazi I think ngangidlula nje kancane yabo wawulo Chili M if I'm not mistaken. Literally lapho siseplose egqoke lento engigqokile ke ngalonyaka. But ithini theme ya this year?
Itheme before ngikhulume ngetheme lento oyishoyo, I'm going to say it again, I enjoy ukufundisa nokushare ulwazi. There's a verse in the Bible ekhuluma ukuthi abantu bayabhubha ngenxa yokuthi balahlakelwe ulwazi or abanalo ulwazi.
And that's profound.
And I always say ukuthi sizwe as a living human being kunendawo oke wangena kuyona ungaziwa but purely based on how you looked. And kunendawo oke wangangena kuzona purely based ekutheni ubukeka kanjani. If kuthiwa kune all white uqhamuka ugqoka white awudinga lokuthi uzilokho uchaza kakhulu usho igama lakho ungena. Uma kuthiwa kune all white uqhamuka ugqoka all black ngisho noma kuthiwa we guessed this bazofika bathi first are you sure usendaweni right uba igama lakho siyambona lana kodwa first are you sure usendaweni right, you know, because indlela obukeka ngayo ibalekile ukuhlonipha indawo esiya kuzona nanokubukeka ngendlela esicelwe ngayo kubalekile. I-theme ya this year,
but I'm sorry to interject Mthoko, but you have noticed ukuthi sometimes ama-theme mfethu manje ngendlela abhalwa ngayo uthola ukuthi angi-understand no we understand walento ekuthiwa ngiyigqoka kuthiwa the little bit of gold blah 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 and uthi uyafika endaweni uthola abantu ngempela bayenzile le bathi touch of gold and stuff like that. Bengihlulwa kwayifunda ngaphela nabangani bethu bayasinvitela kuma events abo babe sebesinika nokuthi ugqoke kanjani but ushawe manje ke lento oyifundayo awuyazi.
That's ngizokuphendula kabili. I'll make an example. A very dear friend of mine just celebrated the 40th yakhe and itheme yakhe what it's a Royal Zulu affair.
Yeah.
You know what's a Royal Zulu affair? That is the theme and the interest code what's formal with a touch of Zulu.
You
know, and abantu abaningi ibiba confuser, but number one as umuntu owenza umcimbi une responsibility ukuthi ubasize abantu ukuthi bawuhloniphe umcimbi wakho or babukeke ngendlela wena olindele ngayo. And as a result uSiya Dube wasenda contact kuthiwa i-style guide ukuthi usushilo ukuthi okay it's a Royal Zulu affair, formal with a touch of Zulu, but then bese send the style guide esoba nezithombe ukuthi as abantu besifazane mhlasimbe ungabukeka ngalendlela, as abantu besilisa ungabukeka ngalendlela. So kubalekile ukuthi as umuntu ohosta umcimbi omnikazi omcimbi ukuthi ubasiza abantu bakho ukuthi babuke ngendlela wena ufuna babuke ngayo.
But manje wena usenzile ukhesh abanye abantu because manje kusho wena ususithuma esitolo manje. I think kuremtho kwenye wardrobe ukuthi uvele ube nalento efunekayo exactly. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Kukabili mina into engizoyisho mina ukuthi
or into when they deal nesitolo
not necessarily umngani wakho angeke azothi i-all white party ngicela bonke abantu bagqoke white abese abamema abantu abawu50 kubantu abawu500 abaziyo kulabantu laba abawu50 abamemeli usuke neshow ukuthi labantu laba bazoyenza lento le engiyifisayo. So kune party ya host umnikazi womcimbi, but also there is a part yakho as a guest ukuthi usuyitholele invite ku cousin wakho nanikhula naye niyazwana and usemane wathi Royal Affair formal with a touch of Zulu. So wena uwenze njani? Uyahamba ebantwini obaziyo abantu benqephu kunama stylists kunama designers bani buthi guys again ngisize uma kuthiwa kwenziwa kanje kwenziwa kanjani, and those people will give you options. I'll make an example. You know, yes, that's what I do for a living, you know, because the first thing that person, whether a stylist or a designer, uzokubuza ukuthi umcimbi unini and ibudget yakho ithini. And you have an option to say, I'm mfethu ngeke mina ngifuna ukuyothenga kuzokusebenza ngoku-wardrobe wami noma mina mfethu I'm just I can spare 2,000 rands. Then you know what you are working around. Okay, maybe asimane sisebenzisile suit yakhe emnyama onayo ongenani asabeni siyohayirisha ibheshu or umqhele ne konje kuthiwa yini le lokufaka isifuba kuthiwa isifuba angizisi lokusasukuyingwe, you know, because when usushile ukuthi wena you can only spend 500 rands. So the 500 rand okay sizothola umqhele which is also symbolized as very Zulu. Just bese sithole nembatha, you know, Klasimpelengo, which is also recognized as Zulu. Usuqedile. So ukuba muhla kusho ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi umuntu akahamba yo spend imali angenayo ama accounts cha.
And first khumbula ukuthi iphatha kuyona yakho.
Akusiyona yakho
ya. Ukuthi ufuna awukwazi outside usingayo. But it's fine. Mthoko back to leya lamashi la wesiwabhekile kule weekend. I-theme yamanje I think usuyichazile i-theme and all that stuff, but ke this year ithini lapha emashi. And then ungam-advise kanjani omunye umuntu olungiselela manje ukuthi kusasa ngiyothenga or namhlanje ntambama ngiyothenga ngenza kanjani?
I-theme this year it's riding the wave.
Bani?
Riding the wave.
I think siyafana nontuthuko lapho sididekile kucebe ibalo
so
ichaza.
Mighty riding the wave. If unikezwa i-theme noma i-concept, for instance, if you go we sites say Hollywood Beds or even we Durban Fashion Fair, because the fashion aspects or the fashion competition aranwa i-Durban Fashion Fair. Kuyafika kuthiwa riding the wave, but bese iyachazwa kahle ngezansi. Kuya ngomuntu keke i-exposure yakho, ulwazi lakho nanokuthi uthandani, ukuthi wena uinterpreta kanjani. Ngizokwenza isibonelo. Makhulunywa about riding the wave, umuntu ucabanga igagasi. Ucabanga ulwandle. Ucabanga isihlabathi solwandle. Ngokwe-wave. Ucabanga abantu who ride the waves. Kukhona abantu who will look at it in a literal sense ukuthi uzocabanga the greens and the blues and the aqua colors because of the wave. But kukhona nomunye umuntu ozoyicabanga as the actual person who rides the wave, who in this case could be a surfer. Abese zothi mina my outfit or my look or mhlasimbe umuntu ongenele the fashion competition athi yena uzokwenza i-look that is inspired by a surfer, mhlasimbe ne surfboard or whatever the case. And our greatest advantage ukuthi siseThekwini sihlale sithi ayithina sazi i-spring nesummer, you know, as much as July and we are right in the middle of a winter, but amazinga weather yethu akekho bad. So for all you know, ngomgqibelo kuzobe khomanda bazoqhamela beyiqokele i-swimwear, you know, kube khona uzoyiqhamuka eyiqokele sathi uyi-surf azaphasi ne-surfing board angeke uziwazi, you know. Abanye bazothi hayi mina angifuni
the unexpected.
You always do, more especially at the Durban July. You must expect into ongakaze uyibone.
That's where what come kuSomizi the other year nje ngathuka. I think babe mphethe ka something nje yabona. Lento kahle nje usuke seek attention in a way. babemphethe
I think uSomizi that I think yeah, and then the outfits yakhe
nje kubhizi nje.
when my assistants I think awu-8 if I'm not mistaken. And ukhumbula ukuthi sekwenze kabili kukhona lapho ayegqoke khona if I'm not mistaken a green ensemble le eyayinomsila omude ibanjwe abantu abaningi ngamakhona and then kwase kuzoba khona le ephezulu bembambile
ngikhumbula
yeah so kuke kuthiwe zonke into zinama levels ngokwe level ne level yomuntu kuba nama expectations athile. So Somizi is our South African superstar. Simazi like a bigger than life personality, you know. So ikhona leya pressure and the expectation from himself. Ukuthi I can't just arrive there and look like one of them, you know. I'll make an example again. Someone onjengobonang. Ubonang my event akakwazi ngaba good at carpet and look like one because the ilapha abadlalela khona and the level yabo demands of them ukuthi kungakhula ngabo bonke but akwazi ukuthi kube khona ubona kwi-event angamentioneki kube khona uSomizi angamentioneki.
Yazi ngiyakuzwa. Yazi ngiyakuzwa. Lo uyayibeka nje iclear I think abantu abaningi abacacisela nje leyo nto. Otherwise ungasilandela laphana kuma socials ethu Facebook page ethu eCommander 2.5 plus millions ungasilandela kuyona iFacebook page Podcast Affirmation uphinde futhi usilandele laphana ku-YouTube yethu uzosithola lakhona siza siyagijima na kuyona iYouTube kanti le esikhuluma nomthoko uyayilandela laphana ku-TikTok kuma platforms e-TikTok so uyasithola njengamanje as we speak anti isazo edithwa ngendlela iphinde futhi idlale mthoko uyasithokozisa ngempela ukuthi uzosichazela izinto ezikanje ngicabanga ukuthi ibalekile. What about those abafika ebahashini ukuthi nje bazobuhlaba nje bona yipi role yabo yona ukuthi nje kusukela ekuseni because lama marquees lawa ngithi basuke bewakhokhelile ama VV ungifuna nama status ngitho ugijime lapha uqhazele lama levels okhuluma ngayo no VVIP uthi lapho wena utholile invite we VIP bwethu I know I was angeni la VVIP and enye into engicabanga ukuthi ungangena nje lo 10 seconds I'm not sure ukuthi into eqonde nawe understand njalo kakhulu ngoba ibuye isidide mthoko le ukuthi sengilitholile ithikithi lokungena ngaphakathi but manje uthi uyafika lapha kuthiwe awukwazi ukungena fanele ukhokhe mhlambe ujwayele kuba u220 if memorable ingangideceive kuvamise uba u220 nakhona nje lezo zinto nje ama challenges ayabe khona.
Kunabantu kunama groups for now I'll say about 3 abaya with Durban July kunabantu abaya ngokuyosebenza whether unemakhi noma wenze catering noma wenze ideco or uyisupplier or usebenzela icompany sponsor or whatever the case kuzoba khona abantu abayima guests invited guests. I'm hosting a Swenka Maki. If ngik invite then I need to equip you ukuthi ukwazi ukufika la ngoba kunethikithi libizwa ukuthi i-general entry lokuthi ungene nje emagcekeni aseGreyville
ngaphakathi
ungene nje emagcekeni aseGreyville fanele ube nalelo thikithi. Number 2 fanele ube nethikithi le-parking uthola ukuthi mina imakhi yami ngine space mhlasimpe sabantu abawu-50 abazopaka ama-parking spots are 50 abanye baba noma park and ride uzomtshela umuntu wakho ukuthi hayi uzohamba uyopaka kaBhilidi umazibanibani and then kunama shuttles azobenithatha enihambisa and ebusuku futhi azophinda nihambisa you know bese kuzoba khona abantu who are not invited abasobefuna nje ukuyizela whether ukuzobheja noma ukuzobukela noma ukuzobona you know and then that person uyazofanele angene ngethikithi lokuthi afike qathatha angahamba noma ikuphi eGreyville except for indawo ekuzodingakala ukuthi ube ne-invite uma uyongena khona hospitality marquees you must be invited by that marquee owner or host ukuzwazi ungena kuona which means ungaba nalelo ngene eGreyville but alikunikezi imvume leyokuthi uyongena kwimakhi kaSwenka. So fanele uqikelele
into Mthoko naye into uthola ukuthi mina bengifika laphana ngifika mhlawumbe okokuqala ngitshoda lethikithi leli likuvumela ukuthi ngene nanoma kuyophi makhi only to find ukuthi imakhi nento yawo ubona abantu sebenama ambeni sothi kugcwele isandla nasitshela I think nalokho kubalekile ukuveza Mthoko ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi usuke umenywe uswenka kwimakhi yakhe okungasho ukuthi usungaya kwenye imakhi
uyabona nje lado lisho sizwe leli olihlawumbisele ku 220 rands libhaliwe ukuthi ele general access
awubelong kwimakhi
uyangena nje uthi useGreyville awuseGreyville manje you can go anywhere endaweni evuleleke umphakathi awunale le makhi for imakhi ifanele kube ukuthi it's either kukhona oinviteayo akunikeze invite prior or uyazi usigwinziwa kanjani umuntu uzoma nathi how Mthoko uhamba lana ngisimela ihafetha athi awuyazi bengizohamba noma imngane wami ngafika nansi tag yakho yabo usune tag yokuthi uyongena kuleyo makhi and mina ngokwami engingaku-advise and engingaku-recommend because if kuukuthi nginemakhi ngi-invite abantu abawu-50 labantu abawu-50 ngiyazi ukuthi why behlangene endaweni eyodwa ngine-vision ethile ngalabantu abawu-50 so ukuthi kukhona abawu-3 abangafikanga akusho ukuthi usizwe usezongilethela abanye abantu bakhe abayibangani bakhe engazi ukuthi bazofike laba bamukelane kanjani nabantu abalana usuyazi uzokuthiwa umuntu hayibo ifoni yami ngiyibeke lana sengaphenduka ifoni isikhwama sami besila sengaphenduka isikhwama sami asekho angisho ukuthi lokho kusuke kuyizenze ezenziwa abantu abangamenyiwe however I'm going to say it again ukuthi if kuthi mina ngine emakhi ngi-invite abangani bami abawu-50 the chances are ngiyazi labantu bawu-50 abantu abangahlalelana angeke ngize ngiriske i-well-being ne-security kasizwe ngokuthi ngim-invite umuntu engazi ukuthi lo muntu lona mayese wathi ukushaya kancane ngiyazi ke kuzobe sesibiza ngamagama lana bani
nanokuthi Mthoko mhlambe enye reason engicabanga ukuthi ngisuke ngimema abantu bami mhlambe kusuke kuhlangene nebusiness mhlambe labantu laba exchange ama business cards sibona ukuthi siyasana kanjani phambili ngokomsebenzi I think you're right ngiyabona ukuthi ngiright at least khona engikwaziyo kaleshandisi nanokuthi sekudominate laba artists abaningi ukuthi imakhi ethize iyahayisa because of abaculi abazobe beku-line up and stuff.
Unfortunately awukwazi ukuhlukanisa izinto ze-lifestyle nobumnandi. And also I do want for us to look at Eat Durban July as a serious business model. Ukuthi if ngithi mina ngidecide ukhosta iSwenka Makhi akusonto engizoyicabanga namhlanje ngidla inzipho then kusasa bese ngithi kuzoba neSwenka Makhi. There's a lot that goes into it. I need to have indawo, I need to have a site, I need to have someone ozonginikeza imakhi, I need to have someone ozongenzela i-draping, I need to have someone ozongenzela ukudla, I need to have someone ozongenzela ibar, I need to have my hostesses, I need to have iphuzo fanele ibe nabantu abazoseva lezo iphuzo. So kwayona iDurban July as it's a serious business that brings iTheku neKZN a lot of money, because when these people come here bazobhukhe accommodation kukhona ama-B&B nama-Airbnbs nama-hotela nama-guest houses azothola ibhizinisi ngenxa yeDurban July, bazohayirisha iy'moto kunama-companies aqashisa iy'moto bazofuna ukuthi bathathwe basuswe bayise ngapha lapho sibheka o-Uber o-Bolt bazohamba bazoya ey'tolo bayokothenga, bazohamba bazoya ema-restaurant bayodla, bazofuna ama-party bahambe bayoko-groova, kunama-car guards azothola imali from that. So kwayona it is not just umcimbi wobumnandi kuphela, because nakhona ama-artists kuzoba nama-artist awu-10 mhlawumbe sokuthi i-artist iyodwa kule weekend kusola ngolwesihlanu kuzoba umgqibelo ubhukhe kuma-makhiz awu-3 or ubhukhe kuma-party, kune-pre-party ngo-Friday,
Ya mina ngiyakuzwa Mthoko ungaqhubeka ngikulalela.
Yeah, kune pre-party on Friday, the main event on Saturday. Kunama local DJs okuthiwa uzani nizokwenza ama opening acts
Yeah.
ban. So it's not really about ukuthi abaculi noma the entertainers iwona adominate. Kuya ngokuthi wena as a marquee, number 1 ubahlinzekele kangakanani abantu bakho, and number 2 uyabaza abantu bakho ukuthi bathanda crowd ekanjani. So uyazi usayela abantu laba ngizobhukhela ngizokwenza isibonelo, hayi la ngizoletha uJudith Sephuma, hayi la ngizoletha uBabe Soduma, hayi uBabe Soduma, hayi la ngizoletha uDJ, hayi la ngizoletha uDJ Muntu, hayi la ngizoletha uDJ Socks, you know. So you always consider your guest bese ubhuka umuntu ozonandisa ngokwazi ama guest lawo owamemile.
Hayi mina ngiyakuzwa Mthoko, ngicabanga ukuthi okuningi sikhavile ngeDurban eJuly, not unless usafuna uku-add okunye engicabanga ukuthi ngikhohliwe mhlawumbe ngeDurban July.
No. I think we've pretty much covered everything. What I want to say is, as abantu base as umphakathi waseThekwini, as umphakathi wase-KZN, we need to look at it Durban July as our very own property. And wherever you are, no matter the size of your business lakho, it gives you an opportunity to next year ubone ukuthi mina ngizoparticipate kanjani. How mina yazi ngizozama into emabar ukuthi ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi how yazi mina
yini nje leni ibhemi futhi ngicela leyo nto ibalekile
shisha hookah habli, yes, labantu laba abadala bathi ama habli, so ngiya understand why usho kanjalo. But we shoot shisha noma hookah, yes. Manje kunabantu
so phela wena umsebenzi wakho uku-educate.
Yes, that's why angilwi,
okay,
angilwi, you know. That's why manje uthola ukuthi kunama companies ayibizwa mhlasimbe ukuthi Sizwe's Hookah Bar, you know. So uyazi ukuthi uma kunomcimbi uSizwe uzofika nezinto zakhe enzele ama guest akho enjoy leyo nto leyo. So kuningi esingakwenza. Mina bengingazange ukwazi ukuthi kunabantu organize ama car guards, you know. Uyabona into losi uma ufika imoto yakho uyishiye lana bese kuba khona uzocela u2 rand. If usubuya imoto yakho ine scratch akasakwazi uku-account, but manje so uyakwazi uqashe ikhampani yabantu uthi okay, mina for my event ngicela ukuthi kube nama-car guards awu-20, nansi i-manager on duty, nakama-car guards asebenzayo, whether umuntu ushaye uvula isicabha kushayeka imoto or whatever the case, they are able to tell ukuthi at this time kufike le moto lena uthi uyazivula isicabha saphephuka sashaya imoto yakho kule dent, nansi inamba yakhe bani, you know. So kuningi esingakwenza to make sure ukuthi nathi we become an active part of our Hollywood Bets Durban July.
Mina ngiyakuzwa, and another thing Mthoko, into esingayinaki kulezi imoto kulezi imoto abantu abahamba ngazo, kuyaye kube nokuthi siba nalama insurance companies esiwajoyinayo or ama-insurances esiwajoyinayo. Abantu abafaka bakhumbule into eyodwa ukuthi kulawo lokhuzana kulawo ma-insurance akhona ayayikhava maningi indaba yokuthi Mthoko, if usubona usuyaphuza or ngasuphuze kakhulu ubafonele bazokulanda balethe nenye imoto. Sengisho ukuthi these things zingakwazi ukucover neingozi ukuthi ingozi ingabi ningi bobone ngoba ayi Mthoko busuke bugazilisha utshwala.
Ngazi kahle. Thank you for raising that. Our insurance companies esikhave kona imoto zethu ziyakwazi ukuthi zisenzele leyo service, and obviously at a cost. And there are companies esingawathola even einkundleni zokuxhumana, ayikho engiyazi leyo gama, mhlawumbe kuzothiwa igama la kuthiwa biza uswenka, because kuyazi ukuthi abantu masebedlile ubiza uswenka uzofika nomuntu osoba, umuntu osoba adrive imoto yakho ihanjwe iyiswe la oyakhona, and then uswenka athathe lowo muntu osuke kushayelela ahamba mise kwindawo kuqhubeka impilo. So kubalekile,
it's more of a brotherly advice if ubona uzophuza, because kuyaphuzwa lapho sometimes utshwala buye bunga avoideki, utshwala bube into nje order of the day. Zama ukuthi kube ne designated driver ezoba khona nje engaphuzi yona khona abantu aba heavy fun without alcohol, and kube ababehave sengathi kade bushaya.
Yep.
Kukhona inature yabantu abanjalo. So capitalizer, use that person ukuthi anithathe bese kufika lezo ikhathi zasebusuku anigodukise nifike ni safe. Ayikho into emnandi nje ukuvuka ekuseni imoto uthi uyoyibheka i-right. Understand lento nihambe kahle lonke nifonelane nithola ukuthi nihambe kahle nonke. Parting shots Mthoko. Mhlawumbe concluding remarks.
I think I just want to say ukuthi, I'm going to say it again, ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa yi-Hollywood Bets Durban July, akekho umuntu okhishelwa ngaphandle. It is for everyone. I'm going to say it again. Thola nawe indlela ongaparticipate ngayo. Ngabe umuntu odayiswa ukudla, ngabe umuntu osika inqephu, ngabe umuntu onendawo zokulala noma zokuhlala, ngabe umuntu onendawo zobumnandi. Next year kusanesikhathi thola indlela nawe ongakazi uparticipate ngayo, because akekho okhishelwa ngaphandle. Yethu sonke Hollywood Bets Durban July. This year it's my 20th Durban July engi attenda, and I've seen it ikhula from ama-sponsors ahlukahlukene, and nami ngendlela yami esekhoneni I've made sure ukuthi ngiyazama ukubona ukuthi ngithola kanjani intube yokuthi ngingene nami ngidlale an active role kwi Durban July. Ithi mayidlula nami idlule, hayi ngijabula ukuthi hayi ngiyajabula ukuthi ifikile, and abantu abakanjalo abazokwenza sure ukuthi nabanye abantu abeze kuyona sibaphatha kahle, because we know what it means to us.
Mina ngiyakuzwa Mthoko, ngicabanga ukuthi nje abantu baqhubeke ukusilandela lapha na Facebook page yethu iPodcast Affirmation, phinde usilandele ku-YouTube uzosithola ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sizokulethela konke la Mthoko kuseza Dandi July.
Yes, kuseza Dandi July.
I think uzophinde usivakashele for just not nini soon. I think
after 2 because weeks it's in the next 3 weeks. Yes, the last week of July.
Kusazoba busy.
Kusazoba busy, and to be honest with you, obviously you're gonna talk about it with your production team. It would be nice to bring a perspective ukuthi abantu bayathanda ukuqhathanisa iDurban July neDandi July. Into eziwu-2 ezingafani engeke uzokwazi ukuyiqhathanisa, but we'll talk about it.
Please, ngicabanga ukuthi sizomcela futhi Mthoko ukuthi asivakashele bese kusondela iDandi July, because ibalekile lento ukuyikhuluma ukuthi hawu siphuma kuyi-Hollywood Bets Durban July sekuza iDandi. Umehluko lapha labakuthiwa abahasha yatelebhela. Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7. Thank you.